everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile on both iPhone and Android. Locking your profile is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can view your posts and profile. Details. Let's get started. Locking your Facebook profile through an Android smartphone, iPhone or iPad is quick and easy. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged into the right Facebook account you want to lock. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture, which is usually located in the top right corner or on the left side of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal dots located next to the Edit Profile option. Tap these dots to open more settings. In this section, you'll see an option called Lock Profile. If it's available for your account, tap on it to proceed. Facebook will then display a confirmation screen that provides details about what it means to lock your profile. It explains that once your profile is locked, only your friends can see the content on your profile and view your full resolution profile picture. However, people who aren't your friends will still be able to search for your profile and send you a friend request. After reviewing the information, confirm that you want to lock your profile. Once confirmed, your profile will be locked and your privacy settings will be updated accordingly. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked, giving you more control over your personal information. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more privacy tips and tricks. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.